Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining today class. So we learned about service catalogs. We learned about record producer, how to create, correct? So now the similar way, there is a order guide. Okay, there is one more thing which is called order guide. So what is record producer? Did anyone can answer, or do you want me to explain? See, record producer is when we are trying to insert directly data into the table, correct? That is called record producer. So which is example incident, right? So incident, report an issue, create an incident. These all, it's a catalog item only, but we try to put directly into the table, correct? It's a mapping, direct table to field mapping to table, correct? So that is what we have done in the while creating a record producer. So while creating a catalog, we created multiple variables, variable sets, workflow, flow designer, okay, catalog builder. We learned all these things, right? So now the similar way there is a order guide, but again I'm not concluding this. Whatever we are done catalog item and whatever we have done order guide, sorry, record producer. So today we are going to discuss about order guide. So which is not conclusion of your request management, I can say. So we will do again practice in future with the multiple examples. If I teach you now, so you would say that, sir, it is very tough. Last 2 days back itself, you are saying that flow designer is very tough, sir. Correct? So that is where I am not more focusing on the flow designer. We will come back once our classes are done. So 1 or 2 classes again we will go for a flow designer, record producer, order guide. These three are very important topic in overall ServiceNow. Okay. In overall ServiceNow, these are the very important topics. Your questions and your entire interview will be driven only with these three topics most of the times. Okay. Very rarely out of the box, like business rules, client scripts, catalog client scripts. These will be very rare. I can say these will be, if I say order guide, catalog item, record producer, it's a 50% of your interview will cover. Other 50% your client script, okay, your business rules, then your catalog client scripts. Again, those catalog client scripts also here only, right? So it will be there, correct? So then they might ask script include, they might ask uh, access control list, right? They might ask UI policies, okay? So these all others 50 to 60%. I can say entire catalog item 40 to 50%. Other topics 50 to 60%, I can say, okay? So that is how your interview will be there. So today afternoon I was discussing with Abdul. He was asking me, can we have a assessment, okay, whatever we learned. So if you want, you are all ready. Yes, I am ready to have assessment with the external people, not me. That I already promised that I will bring some external people who can do interview for you. Okay. So yesterday I was asking some question you are not able to answer, which we already discussed multiple times in the classes, correct? But however, let's go to this topic. We will see that back in the end of the class, correct? So now there are three important topics which we have to discuss and finalize what is this difference between these three, correct? So order guide. So we are discussing order guide. We learned catalog item. So what is catalog item? Anyone can answer? So catalog item, I know that I am straight away answering because I have limited time, so I am doing it. So catalog item is something which you are requesting one item or through catalog item. Suppose you are requesting laptop, you are requesting email ID, you are requesting access. So you are doing only one request, correct? So when you are doing only one request, suppose you are joining in any organization. Suppose you are joining my company, suppose, correct? So you are joining my company. Okay. So when you join my company, what is that you need? First thing is email ID, correct? Second thing is what you need? Laptop. Third thing is what you need? ID card, correct? Fourth thing is what is that you need? Fourth thing is what is that you need? You might need maybe softwares in your laptop. So fifth one, what is that you need? You need application access, which are belongs to your department, correct? So suppose Abdul is joining in my company. Okay. So when he's joining, so do is manager is myself only. Okay. Or I can consider Anjay as his manager, or anyone we can consider. So when Abdul is joining, Anjaya has to come to ServiceNow and he has to create email ID one separate request, laptop one separate request, ID card one separate request, software in his laptop one separate request, and application access for him separate request he has to create. Correct? This is what he has to do for him to settle down in the company. There are multiple. I can say, I can show you. It will be more than 20-25 line items which he has to create. 20-25 requests he has to create if he want to create a separate request. Correct? To get his team member access all necessity things. Correct? For the same, ServiceNow has built the solution which is called order guide. So what order guide will do is, okay, whenever any new employee is joining, so they will use through order guide, they will have email ID, laptop, ID card, software in your laptop, application access to particular ID, and AD ID, email ID is same, correct? So that is what anyone of your manager will do in any organization when you join it, okay, company. So now when you are joining, okay, so what is that you need it? So he has to go to order guide. Where is that order guide? So if you type order guide here, so there is my order guides are here, order guides are here. When you navigate, when you type order guide, so it will come here order guide. But he would be creating an end user only, okay, end user page which is service portal. But however, I am showing in the backend where is the order guide. Suppose I am hiring a new member, correct? This is my catalog item or order guide, I can say. Okay, so this is my order guide. Now, whenever I'm uh, hiring a new one, so first is email account creation, then Lenovo laptop, then one external monitor, again one MS Office he needs this. This is the mandatory thing to start his work in my office, correct? So for that, I am clubbing all together into one catalog item and creating a order guide. So how do we can do that? So let's see that how do we can do it. If you see here, correct, the variables, the same, whatever we have done, the same way the variables are here. Okay. But here in order guide, there is a new thing is there, correct? New thing, which is a new, uh, uh, I can say related tab, this is called, correct? New related tab is there rule based. Okay. In the rule base, there are multiple items is added. Okay. One is standard laptop, then developer laptop, then standard inch monitor, then new email account, Apple iPhone, then Samsung 22, okay, then Carp VPN, then desktop setup. These all are items he had included, or the ServiceNow has included multiple items in one catalog item. Now, if I go ahead and try, again, variables are common. Okay, these variables are common for different applications. There are catalog UI policies they have written to set for which catalog item to show which variables. We know that, correct? So there is, suppose if I select standard laptop, what is the variables to show? If I select new email account, what is the variables to show? Catalog UI policies are written here. Okay. So now let's go to here variables. This is a hiring manager group, remote, then carp office, standard packages, laptop type, then mobile device type. These are the variables which are listed here. Mobile, when do it has to come? When it is selected. This time when it comes to here, it has to select which mobile is required, Apple 13 or Samsung 22, correct? So that is where this will come. Okay, laptop type, Lenovo, see here, developer laptop or standard laptop, correct? So that is where it will come, this one, correct? So now let's go to give a try how it looks, correct? If I try, you see here, what is this? It looks like, first step is describe your needs, choose options, then checkout. Okay, so what group this person is joining? Like hiring manager is system, or maybe we can say our friend. Okay, then which group is joining? Is joining in the finance department, suppose. Will he need remote employee? Is this a remote employee? Yes or no, correct? If it is yes, I am selecting, then there will be other things populates. If no, there will be other things populate, but there is no changes even if it is remote or on site, correct? What is the office he will be reporting? Where do he will sit? Maybe, see, I joined maybe in a bigger company, MNC company, either your Tech Mahindra or Wipro or whatever company, correct? So they might have different cities, the offices, correct? So for them, so where do you are joining? The question is, so that they will arrange things, correct? So suppose I will select some Texas, a friend of Texas, because there is a locations only Texas are there. TX I will check. So there are multiple Texas. Houston is there, Houston is there, a lot of is there. Okay, Irving is there. Okay, we'll select Irving. I traveled Irving, so I am just okay. Will you be? Will you employ need any non-standard software? I'll select yes. If I select yes, okay, then what is a device? What is a device type? Whether he is a sales or developer, correct? So I'm selecting sales. So what is the mobile type? He need iPhone or Android. If I select iPhone, okay, so these all are the options you need to select on the first page. Okay, describe needs. These all are the options you need to select on the first page. Questions, then choose options. Next one is choose options. So when you go to here, each item will have their own variables. Okay, now suppose take standard laptop. If I take a standard laptop, what is the softwares you need it? Okay, the similar way, if you go email address, preferred email address, I will say this is @tech.com. Okay, something like that. Then Apple 13, correct? So is this a replacement or loss or broken? It is asking. No, I am saying it's a new, right? So what is that you need? I need additionally 500 MB data allowances. Okay, which color we need? So maybe I can put starlight. Okay, so do I need 512 or 2264? Whatever I want, I can select it. Suppose I want this one, I'll select. Then next, Next option is here, correct? Which software, which VPN you need it. So after selecting, this is the VPN straight away, there is no questions. So every catalog item is tagged to this uh, uh, order guide, okay, multiple catalog items. So then there is a checkout. So when you are doing a checkout, you have complete where you can go ahead and review your item, correct? So what is that you selected, correct? So this is a selection of complete our list. So I'm just giving shipping address X. Okay. So I need at evening checkout. Okay. I'm doing a checkout. If you see now, one request I have created, multiple RITMs I have created. One is this, one is this, one is this, one is this. You see here, different RITMs are created for the different requirements. Correct? So this is how your order guide works. Okay. So anyway, we will practice tomorrow this one order guide. Once again, we'll discuss, we'll practice. Okay. I wanted to tell what is the differences between these three at present. I will make sure we should create some catalog items and add it there, correct? So that is where I wanted to have a time. So I'll create 2-3 catalog items, then we will add it tomorrow. Otherwise our time will be completely gone it there. Okay. So now if you see here, okay, what is order guide is talking? A list of items available for purchase, usually with the price and code. Okay. Purpose to assist placing of accurate, efficient orders used for business or restaurants, mainly business or restaurants or retail users. This order guides will be used. Okay. Restaurant order guide food inventory with the item numbers and purchases. Suppose you are purchasing, you have a hotel, correct? You have a hotel, you will go to the shop, retail shop. What do? You need multiple items. You don't need one item, correct? You are not purchasing one item. You would be purchasing multiple items. So you would be using a order guide instead of catalog item. If you want to buy only one, you would be using a catalog item. Okay. Then record producer, we are directly creating a one catalog item and tagging into the table in the backend field to field mapping and directly creating a record in the table instead of we are using a variables or different thing. We are straight away mapping to table fields from record producer. Okay. So that is the easy difference way I can explain. If somebody asks you, you should be able to answer this, what is three difference between these three. Okay. So again, I have given a notes. It's very important. You have to just go through these notes. Anything else till here, guys?
This order guide, it is means multiple catalog items clubbed into one. We can
Correct.
say, right?
Mm.
Okay, but we are not the field mapping is not. We are doing not field mappings, right? It is normal variables, and we are storing the data in that variables, right, in the catalogs.
Mm-hmm.
So, do we really mapping any fields to the backend table fields here? No, right?
See, again, don't talk about when we are talking about request order guide or request and order guide. Don't talk about that we are mapping any table, correct? So there is no table. Okay, variables are stored in different format. Okay, we are not storing any table. Okay, variables are variable set. It is not store any table or there is a table, but it's a temporary table. I can say. Okay, whatever field you create, it will allow you, correct? If it is an incident or change or problem, it will be there a column forever. But in the when you create in requested item or catalog item, that will not be available when you go to the backend of database in RITM table or SC task table or request table. These fields will not be there in the table. Okay, it will be there in the variable table. Okay, it will be stored in the separate table.
Yeah, that's understood. Anna. Only major difference is other guide is clubbing means multiple number of catalog items into one place where you
Correct,
can user can submit by selecting different products or with different prices.
correct, correct,
Catalog item is like normal catalog item where you can single requirement they'll submit the details and submit.
correct.
That's it.
You're
Okay,
100% correct.
okay, thanks.
So anyone has any further doubt about these three topics, you let me know. I would help you to understand. Sadiq, did you understood? You came look like late.
Actually, I
Your
joined
voice is
late, so
breaking, Sadiq.
no, I have joined late now. What is
I don't know. My
what is the
mic,
main
my headset is not working, or
purpose
people
of
are
this?
speaking loud.
No, no, this was might their network problem.
Short.
Yes, Sadik, you can come to a location where network is proper. It is not, your voice is not clear.
No, no, my
Again, your voice is not clear, Sadiq.
my
Okay, now
network
one
is
thing,
actually
Sorry, Sadiq, your voice is not.
this is order guide is available in service portal only.
Yeah, it will be available. See, same thing. So let's start basic one. Okay, then we'll see whether we would be able to do or not. Then we will see tomorrow also same thing, correct? So let's create one. Okay. So this is my system, correct? I hope you are able to see my screen, correct? And if you type order guide, it will come here, correct? Suppose let's take example email services only. We will take example is email services. Email services is nothing but let's first drop here what we want, correct? I want email ID. I want laptop. Okay, only two we will consider at present, correct? These two I need it. Or phone also maybe I will consider. One more thing is phone. So these three I need it. If I want to use catalog item, I want to create a three different requests, three different RITMs, multiple SC tasks, correct? So now I am creating one request, okay, multiple RITMs, multiple tasks. So if I want this one REQ, multiple RITMs, and multiple SC tasks we will be creating if I need these three items. I hope you remember. I am remembering because I was able to recognize that while we are discussing Amazon, correct? We discuss. Let's go to our Amazon example only. Okay, Amazon.India. Okay. So suppose I want 4 items. What is that? I want 4 items. I want one keyboard, wireless mouse and keyboard I want, correct? Then I want one this chair. Then I want one this chair. So now if I order this 3, how many requests, how many orders will get create? Anyone can confirm? Sadiq, can you answer me this one?
Yes, sir.
If I order one wireless keyboard, 2
Yeah.
different chairs, okay, different brand. This is Innova, this is Selby, this is HP, correct? I will
Yes.
create an order now. These 3 items I want. Okay. It's a
We
different
will
brand.
add to.
And proceeding by. Correct. So when I click this one, how many orders will get created? I'm asking. When you get an email after order, how many orders you will be
Yeah.
getting? 1 order, 2 orders, 3 orders.
Kindly, we are putting
Three
in
orders.
here itself 1 to 3.
No, your answer is both of your answer is wrong.
Can we add to cart these 3 items? After proceeding, it will get no.
Yeah, I was thinking three orders, but it is wrong.
3 orders will not get created. 1 order only it will get created. I discussed this one during the explanation of my first demo class. Okay, I'm ordering HP keyboard. I'm ordering chair. I'm ordering laptop. Okay, HP laptop. This one. This is my Gibronics. Okay, then this is maybe Neil Kamal. So I'm ordering 3 different. From where I'm ordering? Amazon. So when I'm ordering this 3, okay. So what Amazon will give? Amazon will give for me only one REQ, which is a order number. Okay. So I'll get 3 of them. I'll get only one REQ.
And if we usually order anything, we'll normally in a live scenario, will order number is different from three of them, right?
You order and let me know. Can you order now? It will come only one, Anjay. Huh?
Okay.
Have you ever experienced? You try tomorrow and let me know. Only one order will be created for multiple things. Okay, for Amazon and for you, you will receive. Let me show you a live
Okay.
example. Amazon, correct? So I have a like, it is going to, let's take. So what is this order? See, I ordered from Timo, correct? What is this? How many I ordered? This is one men's dual night glass, okay?
Yeah.
Then curved screen, then green port, then 2 flashlights, 1 wireless charger, correct? So after ordering, what is the order number I got? This is my order number, correct?
Yes. Only one.
So I got multiple orders? No, correct? For each and line item? No, correct? But these items supplying by different vendors, we all know, correct? Are you guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
001, 0, 2, 3, correct? RITM. Then, so I told initial class itself, I told this one, okay, for you guys. Maybe you are not remembering. I can remember. So you created a Gibronix or keyboard, HP keyboard only, okay, HP keyboard, Lenovo laptop. So when you order this one from Amazon, you will get only one order number, three different RITM 01, RITM 02, RITM 03. Okay. So these three RITMs will get created for each line item. This is called each line item. Okay. Three different RITMs will get created. In case you require approval for this one to get HP keyboard, so suppose line manager has to approve, then finance manager has to approve, then department manager has to approve, then asset manager has to approve. See, keyboard is value is less, we all know, right? Price, we'll see price also. So when you go price, this might be 1000 rupees, this might be 1500, I can say, correct? This might be 50,000. So what will happen? Based on the item, the approvals will go higher, because whether this guy has to get or not, they will approve. Only line manager has to approve. In case I want to get keyboard, only line manager and asset manager has to approve. Okay. Then it will go to task, SC task, correct? SC task will be created, SC task 001, correct? So for whom this SC task will create? Asset team. They has to give it to you, correct? Asset team. They have to give it, they will get one SC task. Then US team, end user support team, they will get SC task 01, 02, sorry, 02. So now if it is a Neil Kamal chair, okay, this is clear, I hope, correct? So this is that the way the tickets will get created. Maybe this number may be difference 3 also, because in between the other ticket might be created. This it will create order, correct? So whatever earlier number, then next number automatically it will create. System will understand what is the earlier created. Maybe this already created SC task 002, correct? So then this will create SC. First it will create whichever is order. This will create next. Maybe it is not, I am not giving order, system will take automatically. Okay, whichever generates, that time whatever number is available, it will start creating a number, correct? Here also RITM number also same thing, REQ number also same thing, correct? REQ 001. Okay. So this is the structure. Now for HP keyboard, this is the process. What this is the process? This one is the process. For Neil Kamal chair, which is again 1500, line manager has to approve, then finance manager has to approve, then asset manager has to asset manager is not required, because this is managed by facility manager. Okay, facility manager, so he has to approve, correct? In case of, suppose let's take, this is the example, we are trying to create a order guide, we want like this. Okay, then what will happen? This is the way the tickets will get created. Okay, first it will go Neil Kamal line manager, then finance manager, then facility manager approve, then ticket will create facility team to provide a Neil Kamal chair to that guy, correct? So then one more guy, he will update his the devices details or chair details to his inventory. We all know that if you go to any organization, they will tag you, your laptop, your mouse or keyboard or chair, everything, they will tag number 001, 002 with the numbers. Okay, they will do it, correct? In that, during the time, they will tag and they will update that this laptop is given to this guy, this keyboard is given to this guy, and this chair is given to this guy. Correct? So that is one more process we will discuss next classes, are that only asset management and CMDB. We'll discuss that. Okay. Now this is the Nilkamar chair flow, workflow or flow designer which we have created. Then Lenovo laptop. We have a Lenovo laptop which is a cost of 50,000. Okay, line manager has to approve, finance manager has to approve, department manager has to approve, asset manager has to approve. Then once that is created, SC task will generate 004. Then SC task 005. So these all are the way the tickets will get created, or even for your order in this one, this Amazon. When you order this one, it will be like this. Here in Amazon, it will be more. Even I have explained more than this, the workflow. Suppose in Amazon, once you pay the amount, this all will not be there. Correct? It is, we are talking about our IT company, so this all will not be there. What this all will not be there? These steps will not be there. So suppose if you order in Amazon, what will happen? HP keyboard. First order will create with the vendor who's seller. Correct? Then order will, once he packed, once this guy is packed, whoever is selling, then order will create courier guy. Correct? Then order will create delivery guy. Correct? So what orders this are? These all are your SC tasks. Okay. This is one RITM for this vendor will create. Under this RITM, these all are multiple SC tasks will get generated for multiple people for HP keyboard to deliver it to your town or wherever you want. So these all different works to carry different team. We all know, correct? So suppose vendor, there are multiple steps. It is not only three, correct? Vendor will receive an order, then vendor will pack, then courier guy will come and pick, then he will put into courier. Okay. Then somebody has to pick from that courier in your town or delivery. There is a house will be there, correct? Where your town, there will be one delivery house. There it will come and deliver. Then the one more delivery guy will go and deliver it. There are multiple steps, more than 5-6 steps. But have you seen any time they are missing? Because there are multiple steps, correct? Have you seen any time they are missing? They are not missing because of our kind of a tool, which is a ServiceNow kind of a tool. They can track end to end. Where is it? Okay. So once this is done, automatically this order will create. That guy will be ready for picking up. Once this is done, then the next guy will be ready to pick up and deliver it. Correct. So this is, each one will have their own SLA that you have to deliver within 2 hours. Okay. This guy will have within 24 hours you have to shift from Delhi to Bangalore, from Bangalore to Hyderabad, correct? This guy will have 1 hour time only to pack. Okay. So this is the sequential task will get created one by one. Once this guy is done, then next guy, then this guy. Okay, this is how your complete order guide works. Okay. So now you might understand Amazon, Flipkart, your Timo, your Noon in Dubai. So all of them are using ServiceNow in the backend. Okay, and they are not using ITSM module. They might be using CMS, Customer Service Management module. Okay, to do this all things. But however, it's a core concept of ServiceNow. This one. Okay. I hope you understood till here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
theoretically, if you understood, then we will start. See, it is a very simple again. The items you have to go and add it to. Suppose we navigated order guide here, correct? So we clicked order guide. There are already two is there. Just now I thought of create this one. Okay, let me delete this one also. So these two are already there. For example, OOB ones, correct? So now, if you want to create the same one, what you will do? As I told you, there is a copy option, correct? So again, you have to go to local update set and create it. Then you can go ahead and create it, the new one, correct? So if you want copy, so I'm doing copy. So I'm doing something more. What is that something more? Let's see what we decided. Email ID, laptop, and phone. Whether we have catalog items, let's see that catalog item. Office onboarding or employee onboarding, I will say. This catalog is item is employee onboarding. Again, where do it has to show? Under service catalog in end user page, correct? So that is all we know that it has to show in the. So I'm doing employee onboarding. Okay, now I can say email ID. I'll remove this all. Email account, laptop, phone. Laptop, phone. Okay, so I'm just creating service overviews, employee order manage, order guide. I'm just trying to do order guide, employee onboarding order guide. I'm just trying to do. So now what is that I want to have it? First of all, I am trying to save it, right? So let's save it. Then I want only laptop, okay, phone. I don't want this all items. Suppose I don't want this, I don't want monitor. Okay, I want only this one. Let's delete this one for time being, correct? So now I selected this one. In case I want to add one more thing, so what I will go ahead and do. So just click new here. So see, order guide name is this. Okay, then you have include this item. You can go ahead and select one more item. Maybe you want to have iPad or iPhone or Apple ProBook, correct? So let's add one more thing. Maybe Adobe Writer. Okay. Is it mandatory or not? It is asking. I don't want as a mandatory. I'm just adding this one. So now if you see here, Adobe is added, correct? So it is asking order, which order you have to go. I will put the last order 600. Okay. So now I'm saving it. So just add your items here. That's all. You don't need to do nothing. Okay. So variables, common variables, you have to create, and you have to map. You have to have a plan when you are creating an order guide. When I will show laptop, what is that I need to show? Correct. These all are the questions you need to have in your mind. Then only will be able to build this one. Correct. So now I'm selecting this one. When the person is joining, which IT department, okay, whether he is working remote, which office is reporting. So maybe I will check again my Texas again. I might go to Texas again, looks like. So you see here, standard laptop questions are coming here. Okay. And new email account questions. This is the questions which we are asking, correct? So let's do at tech. Okay, then Adobe Writer questions. Okay, these all are the each item wise questions are coming here. Okay, whatever items we selected, those related choices are coming here. Okay, nothing else, correct? So three options, three. Now if I submit this one, okay, I will get three RITMs, one request. Check out. See, one request, three RITMs are created. Three RITMs are created. If you see, all of them 006, 006, 006 RITM. So that is how your this will work. So this is waiting for approval. I think looks like it is waiting for approval. It is here. In request level, they configured approval. If you see approved RITMs, fulfillment, it created a task. If you see here, this is also created a task. This is also created a task. It's not created. This is went again for approval. If you see here, this is standard laptop. It went for a approval on RITM level. Okay. So once it is approved, again it went to next level approval. Okay. This has a different approvals. Now your ticket is created for procurement team. So this is the way of your order guide works. Okay. Three different tickets will get create RITMs, then multiple SC tasks will get each and every work or activity to perform. So this is the same example we discussed. It will work. Okay, your order guide will work in this way. So if you want newly create, yes, we can also go ahead and create new one. Just go ahead here, go to order guide, create a new. Again, you can say employee offboarding. Correct. When you click catalog item, which catalog item is this? Service or technical catalog item, right? Always we are choosing technical catalog item. So then which category this has? Okay. So I am selecting office category. So I am doing employee offboarding order guide. So you can select either submit, we want request or submit. So we'll select this one. So once we created employee offboarding, this is the employee offboarding. Then you see here, correct, variables. You can go ahead and create variables. Location of employee. Okay. Always we should not give mandatory here. So it's a single line text or reference, correct? We should select location means reference. What is the location table? Anyone can you guess me?
CAM. So
CM. CM.
Okay. You should become familiar guys now. Okay. So when you create offboarding, see here. Now we are in offboarding. Give a try. What will happen? See here. Location is coming here, correct? The same way you can go ahead and create your questions. Okay. So now you have to add your items. Which items you want to add here? Employee onboarding means what we need to do?
some deactivate ID. Some
Decommission local office, something we are selecting. So
disable.
yeah, we don't have items correct at present, so we are not doing it.
Okay.
So we have to create that. So if somebody creates tomorrow, I would definitely help to do it. 2 3 catalog items. we'll do that. So disable is not there. D decommission is not there. Not there. Access will say. Take this is a access deactivation something, correct? So these are the items, 2 items I have selected. So now save it. Okay. So once I give a try, okay. See now location is asking. Okay. So I'll select some location. So once choose options, correct? Choose options in case of this have any variables, that variables will be showed here. If this has any variables, that variable shows here. Otherwise it will show like this, whatever it is available in the portal. You can go ahead and check out and select offboarding, employee offboarding, correct? So check out. So 2 RITMs are created, 1 REQ is created. This is the way you can go ahead and create order guide. Okay. Again, your here variables only for order guide it will work. Okay. Your this ones works on the first page only. First page means when you give a try, correct? This is the first page in the summary page. If you select this, if you select that, okay, yes or no, based on yes or no, it will show other fields, right? So that will be written here only. Your UI policies also works here only. Here, whatever it is in the catalog level, your UI policies, that will work in the choose options, checkout. It is a very simple, multiple catalog items which you are adding into one catalog item or order guide, I can say, which is an order guide. Okay. By default, questions are here. It will be here by default questions. And catalog specific questions, it will be in the choose option. And checkout is just submitting the ticket. So anything doubt, guys, still here? Sadiq, Abdul, Rafi, Anjaya, Chandana, Rajesh.
సార్ మనము అమెజాన్లో ఆర్డర్ చేసేప్పుడు సేమ్ మొబైల్ నెంబర్ సేమ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఉండగా ఆర్ఈక్యూ సేమ్ నెంబర్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది సార్. అదే డిఫరెంట్ మొబైల్ నెంబర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఉంటే డిఫరెంట్ నెంబర్స్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది, అంతే కదా సార్?
See, when you are ordering, your mobile number only one, correct?
ఏ సార్,
Then why do you get different different offer?
అడుగుతున్నాను సార్. అంటే వేరే మొబైల్ నుంచి వేరే ఆర్డర్ చేస్తే మనం వేరే ఆర్ఈక్యూ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది, అంతే కదా?
Yeah, correct. That is different. See, REQs will be different. Even when
Different.
you are ordering a catalog item, that every
Ah.
catalog item will be one REQ will be there. Here,
Ah.
multiple RITMs, multiple SC tasks, one REQ will be there.
Yeah.
So you are going to club. See, when you get into any interview, okay, so you would be able to confidently answer. Then he will not ask you. Okay.
Oh,
If
okay, sir.
even if he is asking you, can you open your PDI and show me where do you go ahead and create order guide? You can just come
Yes, sir.
and to order guide and create one or
Yes.
two variables, which is a common like requested for, requested by, and location.
Yes.
Okay. Then you can select 2-3 items. Okay.
Okay.
Add it to order guide and show him that this is the way to create. Done. Your interview will be done. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, compared to your request item, order guide will be simple because you no need to create a catalog item. Okay.
Yeah.
Already created catalog item, you are just clubbing into here, correct?
Oh, okay.
I hope I am clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
need to
This
practice Sadiq, Rafi, Raja, Chandana, Rajesh. At least from now, guys, please spend 1 hour. Okay.
డైలీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్.